Hey guys, it's your girl Chef Rashida with another episode of Msgoodies Kitchen. On today's episode, I'm going to show you guys some quarantine essentials that you should have gotten for this quarantine, but if not, make sure you have them for the next one. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so just if you guys see something moving in the side, it's my daughter. Listen, we're quarantined and you know, I just gotta do what I gotta do. Bread is something that you can freeze. If you have a deep freezer, you could definitely put it in the deep freezer. You can put it in your regular freezer. You can put it in your refrigerator and it'll last longer. This bread that I have here is wheat bread. It's Ezekiel bread. This is not the bread that I feed to my daughter, but if I do eat bread, it's the bread that I eat. So you're gonna notice that I have a few canned items, so let's just get into those. Evaporated milk. If you do consume dairy, then this is something good to have on hand because it's in a can. It's gonna last for a long time. This expiration date on this one is 2021, so that's a really long time. So definitely evaporated milk. If you're Jamaican, then you know this is something we actually use a lot. Another item, chickpeas. I have, well, not really chickpeas specifically, but beans in general. You're gonna see that I have a whole bunch of different type of beans. So even here I have some dried beans that I got from Aldi's. Listen, when it was time for me to shop, you think I was worrying about brands? I was worrying about where I could get more stuff, bang for my buck. So definitely at times like this, you want to go to places, whether it's Dollar Tree, wherever you can go to get food that's going to be cheap so that you can get as much food as possible. Beans are beans. Once you boil them, they taste the same. They're more cost effective and they last a long time. So definitely get some beans. So some more canned items that I have as a Jamaican. Listen y'all, I need my mackerel. If you guys want to see my recipe for 10 mackerel, you could go ahead and click the card. I'm gonna put it right up there, and you can see how I make this. It's really simple, and like I said, it lasts a long time. Expiration date 2022. Come on. Bullet beef, corned beef, whatever, and then sardines. I'm pescatarian, so I eat a lot of seafood. The thought of it is kind of weird eating seafood out of a can, but some people eat chicken out of a can. Me, I don't really eat acorn squash like this. I had to send somebody to the store for me, and this is what they came back with, but guess what? It's better than nothing. So I took it and I used it in like a stew and it was delicious. But what I'm trying to say is make sure you have some type of squash because it lasts a long time. This thing is hard as a rock. So whether it's pumpkin, butternut squash, whatever it is, get some type of squash, something that's gonna last long, because after a while you might get tired of eating the same thing over and over. Definitely potatoes. Potatoes you can make stretch. You can use it for a whole bunch of stuff. So potatoes is something, Malia. Potatoes is something that's great for you to use. Okay. Then of course you want to spice up your food a little bit. Onions. Onions you could use as well, and guess what? You can freeze them. Have you ever been to BJ's and they have the chopped up bell peppers and onions frozen, and freeze them, you know, put them in the freezer. Fruit, like we're gonna need fruit. You need fruit. I like fruit. Me, I have some frozen blueberries right here because I use them for my smoothies. You could get them by the bulk at Costco's or BJ's. I'm from New York, so I say BJ's a lot. Definitely make sure if you're gonna get berries, that they're organic, because berries are on the Dirty Dozen list. And just a friendly reminder, make sure you're watching my videos, you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want me to make a video about the Dirty Dozen list, just leave a request in the comments. Okay, next, pasta. Flour. You're gonna need flour, okay? Especially, not even if you're Jamaican, because Italians, I don't know about Asians, but you know, flour, you need flour. Us, what? Make some fried dumpling, some boiled dumpling, festival. What? I last you a couple of days. I have some corn oil, I have some grapeseed oil, whatever oil it is that you like to cook with. Make sure you have that. Just have some snacks, you know, like a little bit of snacks. You know, a little bit of snacks, and make sure you have the condiments to go with the snacks, because you don't want no dried french fries unless you like mayonnaise or ketchup or whatever it is. make sure that you have what you need. Cornmeal. Oh, how can I forget? I had to take these two straight out of my cabinets. Here's some oats. Again, not name brand, no business. Cornmeal. Listen, porridge. What else? Cornmeal dumpling. Listen, y'all know. One thing me and my sisters realized was we were like, hold on. We buy all Jamaican food to survive. Yeah, because Jamaicans, we have to survive. We get what we have to get. Rice. Like, come on. You can make a big pot of rice. Whatever you, Jamaican, Haitian, Hispanic, whatever. Gandules, arroz gandules, rice and peas. Listen. Whatever it is that you need. Oh, rice is heavy. Whatever it is, make sure you have it, okay? You guys, like, come on. People were grabbing a whole bunch of stuff that y'all know y'all don't even eat. Okay, get your kids some cereal. Okay, those are essentials. Alright guys, there you have it. I done messed up my whole kitchen trying to show y'all some essentials. So make sure the next time, God forbid, something like this happens again, you are prepared. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.
Bye. Subscribe and let my mom's cooking video. See you next time. Bye.
Jesus, I'm tired.